Remove the U-shaped trim panel from the rear cover. Remove the rear trim panel clips. Remove the rear trim panel. Unplug the connector on the rear trim panel. Pry off the original vehicle's rear view camera bracket. Remove the original rear view camera. Install the original rear view camera onto the streaming mirror bracket. Remove the rubber grommet from the OEM rearview camera wire. Use a threading tool to pass through the grommet and guide it to the rearview position. Tape the streaming rearview extension cable to the threading tool and pull it through. Reinstall the OEM grommet. Install the rear camera. Connect the rear view extension cable to the camera. Route the extension cable along the OEM wire harness. Remove the waterproof rubber hose from the rear harness. Pass the threading tool through the rubber hose. Attach the rear view extension cable to the threading tool and pull it through to the other end. Route the cable from the rear harness area to the right rear door. Reinstall the waterproof rubber hose. Route the cable along the door, sealed to the B pillar. Thread the cable toward the front door. Remove the lower trim below the rear air vent. Unplug the connector under the rear air vent. Connect the power adapter harness. Route the power cable under the passenger seat and along its outer side. Reinstall the lower trim of the rear air vent. Pull the power cable out from under the seat to the outer side. Route the power cable under the door sill trim. Continue routing the power cable from the B pillar to the A pillar. Use the threading tool to pass through the A pillar into the cabin. Tape both the power and rear view extension cables to the threading tool. Pull both cables into the cabin. Connect them to the long power extension cable. Use the pry tool to remove the OEM rearview mirror cover. Unplug the connector on the OEM rearview mirror. Twist left to detach the original mirror. Remove the clip from the OEM mirror and install it onto the streaming bracket. Remove the upper trim of the rear view mirror. Attach the front-facing camera of the streaming mirror. Connect the front camera to the power extension cable. Route the streaming harness through the upper trim. Connect the harness to the power extension cable. Tuck the streaming mirror harness inside the headliner. Reinstall the upper trim panel. Align the clip and twist right to install the streaming rearview mirror. Reinstall the rear cover of the mirror. Installation complete.